Okay guys, it's me Imad. So today in this video tutorial we will learn about how to use the 2-to-1 multiplexer within wokwi online simulator. So how we can use it? First we need to write wokwi in Google and it will lead us to the online simulator page. Now this is our wokwi.com, click on it. And now we can see a lot of circuitries and microcontrollers. Here we can click on any option like Arduino Uno, Mega, because we are not using the controller, so click on it and delete it out. Drag the right hand side window to the left hand side and make it big. Why it is so? Because we are not going to program our microcontroller, we will just use this circuit window. Click on this addition sign and here we will go for MUX multiplexer, that is 2-to-1 multiplexer. Now we will go and we will take our LED, this our LED. Now what a multiplexer is, you must know that there is one selection line and two inputs and one output. When there is 0 on the selection line, when we will give 0 or send 0 on selection line, then our first input will get activated, okay, and it will send data to the output. And if we will send 1 on the selection line, then all the data which is on this input, second input, it will be sent to the output. Like now we will connect our LED to the output so that we can see our output, okay. So this is our ground. We will connect our LED with the ground, okay. And now we will go. Now we will go and we will take push button switches, okay. And where they are, let me search it out. Okay, this is slide switch. So why we are using it? Because, okay, press Ctrl C and Ctrl V and Ctrl C and Ctrl V again, so that we can copy and paste it out like this. Now on the selection line must be connected with the middle pin, okay, and ground must be on one side, ground on this pin and VCC on the other pin. So this is our VCC symbol. And the same will be for these two slide switches. The middle one must be connected with the input of the multiplexer like this, and this one. And this. And VCC and ground on both sides. So this is our VCC and this is our ground. Okay, we also need to connect this VCC here with this. Now when our slide switch is on right side, our input will get 1, okay, because it is connected with VCC. Because here in wokwi we are not having any sort of digital input, so that's why we are just using VCC as 1 and ground as 0. So now we will run it out. Now on our selection line, you must know that it is 0. It is 0. So now our first input will send data to the output. So when we will do this, like you can see that when we are changing the state of the input A, we are having data on the output. And if we are doing anything on input B or second input, nothing is going to change on the output. Now we will change it to the VCC, that is now on selection line. It is 1, it is going 1. Now we will run it out. Now you can see that second pin or second input will get activated and all the data selected and all the data is now on the output. And now input 1 is of no use. So in this way we can select 2 lines or 2 inputs with the help of one selection line. So this is all about the 2-to-1 multiplexer. So hopefully you got the concept. So thanks for visiting our channel and don't forget to subscribe.